Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the refreshed 2025 Ford Kuga, and I've gotta say, Ford's really stepped up their game with this one. Let's dive into what makes this updated SUV worth your attention. First off, let's talk about that striking new face. Ford's designers have absolutely nailed it with a bold, glossy black grille and a sleek LED light bar that stretches across the front. It's modern, it's aggressive, and it finally gives the Kuga the presence it deserves. They've even raised the ride height a bit, giving it a more commanding stance that'll definitely turn heads at your local coffee shop. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, this car packs a clever 2.5-liter hybrid system, pushing out 180 horsepower through all four wheels. It's not going to set your hair on fire with its 8.3-second sprint to 62 miles per hour, but that's not really the point here. What matters is that it delivers smooth, efficient power when you need it, while sipping fuel like a hybrid should. We're talking up to 48.7 mpg with the all-wheel drive setup. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the tech upgrade. Gone are the old analog gauges, replaced by a crystal-clear 12.3-inch digital cluster that looks fantastic. But the real star of the show? That massive 13.2-inch touchscreen running Ford's latest Sync 4 system. It's responsive, intuitive, and comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Trust me, once you've experienced this setup, you won't want to go back. And if you're really serious about saving fuel, there's even a plug-in hybrid version that'll give you 43 miles of pure electric driving, perfect for those school runs and grocery trips without burning a drop of gas. Here's where the Kuga really shines: the driving experience. Ford has always known how to make an SUV handle, and this one's no different. The steering is precise, body roll is well controlled, and it feels more like a focused hatchback than a high-riding SUV. Sure, the CVT transmission isn't perfect, especially when you're pushing hard, but in everyday driving, you'll hardly notice it. Space-wise, the Kuga's got you covered. The 536-liter boot will swallow everything from weekly shopping to holiday luggage, and there's plenty of legroom for your passengers. Just watch out for that sloping roofline if you've got taller folks in the back. Yes, there are a few plastic bits in the cabin that could be better, but the overall package is seriously impressive. The ST Line X model we tested comes loaded with great features like those sporty red-stitched seats and an opening panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with light. Look, the SUV market is incredibly competitive right now, but the 2025 Kuga holds its own and then some. Starting at £42,300 for the ST Line X, you're getting a lot of car for your money. The fresh styling turns heads, the tech impresses, and it's genuinely enjoyable to drive, something that's becoming increasingly rare in this segment. Is it perfect? No, but it's a seriously well-rounded package that does everything you need it to do, and does it well. Whether you're dropping kids at school, tackling a weekend road trip, or just commuting to work, the new Kuga feels like it's got your back. The bottom line? Ford has taken an already solid SUV and made it even better. With its sharp new looks, impressive tech, and that clever hybrid system, the 2025 Kuga isn't just keeping up with the competition. In many ways, it's leading the pack. That's it for our review of the 2025 Ford Kuga. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments what you think about Ford's latest update to their popular SUV. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.